here we have a zombie killer, and I guess that's what it is. You see the little I guess zombie insignia sign there, and then killer on it. So, you know, if there's any zombies around, they see me coming, they'll be like, oh no, I better go the other direction. Although I will say, I mean, speaking of zombies, the first thing that goes when something dies is their eyes. So all zombies are blind. They have to be. There's really no way around it. So they're not going to see you coming. Well, I guess that's a thing. Huh. And the other thing is if you kill a zombie, stabby, are you really killing it if it's already dead? Or are you re-killing it? So many questions. I don't know. Anyway, this is a hard plastic, a very hard plastic. It seems pretty durable. It's got some weight to it. Let's see if it's... It's sort of balanced, but not really. Interesting little novelty knife. I'd say it's probably... you know, you got your really cheap, crappy novelty knives down here, and then you have like mid-range up here, and this one is probably in the middle. Although I will say it's got a really cool clasp. Let me show you this thing, and a buck on it, because nothing says zombie like a buck. I question its sharpness and the quality of the steel, so that kind of puts its functionality in question as well. But you know, it's a nifty looking knife. It's nifty, and it was really cheap. I got this at a flea market that I went to a week or so ago, a little lanyard thing, and I got it for really cheap. Now when I say cheap, okay, keep in mind, the Llama, I don't think in my life I've ever paid more than $15 for a knife. Okay? My range is 5 to 15. Okay? This is somewhere in there, if that gives you any indication. So there's that. I guess you can swoop things through here to attach it to stuff on your personhood, things like that. But let me show you this clasp thing. It's really kind of nifty. Put this in here. I guess it goes that way. I don't know. But you see how this clasp works? You bring this over, and like it goes through there. Okay, so it goes through there, and then this thing goes through there. It's a little weird and cumbersome looking, but it seems to work. Pull that out. I know. I've never seen a locking mechanism like this in my life. I guess it's made that you can just kind of pick it apart with one hand or something like that, maybe. I don't know. But I thought that was cool. And weird locking mechanism is actually why I got this thing. So there's that. It's also got the same kind of sort of weird locking mechanism here. You know, you run it through your belt or something like that, and you stick this through there. I know. I don't know. But, you know, creativity sells. So if you're going to make a substandard knife that's questionable quality, make a really cool locking mechanism, and people will say, oh, that's a novelty, I'm going to go buy that, because that's what the Llama did. Although, as I've stated before, I didn't pay much for it, because that's my way. Anyway, that's all I got. I'm not even really sure who makes this thing. It's Chinese, but obviously made for, you know, the American or Western sensibilities, I suppose. But anyway, that's what I got. Let me know what you think. If you have one of these, if you've seen the locking mechanism before, I'd love to hear what you guys think. So there's that. Anyway, that's what I got. Have a wonderful day, and I am out.